Alright guys, welcome back to the channel where we have everyday tips for everyday tech. In this video we're going to talk about how to edit the widgets on your iPhone. So you'll unlock the iPhone and you'll swipe left to get to the widgets from the home location here. So you'll just swipe left and then you'll see you have your widgets that you can easily access, and it's kind of just a running option of it'll give you the details within that app quickly. So at the very bottom of that list you can select the edit button, and this will allow you to then adjust where the selected widgets are, as well as removing them by tapping this minus button and adding them by selecting the plus button here. So what that'll do is allow you to then build your own custom list so that you can quickly access things. Quite handy. And when the iPhone is actually locked, you can just swipe left here and gain access to those widgets, so it's quite handy. Alright, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so YouTube will notify you of my next release. Leave a like and a comment. I want to hear from you. I want to know what things you'd like me to cover. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.